Featuring on Brand Stories today is Shreya Hearing Clinic, who are helping people across Bangalore hear better. सुपर हिट्स 93.5 रेड एफएम पर आप सुन रहे हो रेड अड्डा मेरे यानी प्रिया के साथ. एंड hearing issues don't always come with age. Sometimes lifestyle plays a big role. Loud music on your phone, stressful routines, even ignoring that mild ringing in your ears. Well, many people don't take it seriously because, let's face it, hearing care feels like a neglected corner of healthcare. लेकिन experts कहते हैं early detection is key. Let's hear Dr. Satya Ranna, founder Shreya Hearing Clinic, explain why a simple checkup today can save years of struggle tomorrow.
Live a sound life.
Yes, really early identification is the hallmark or the stepping stone to success in a hearing rehabilitation. So if you consider a small newborn baby, then it would be really advisable that before the age of 1, one should really look for any signs of not giving response by head turn or for the calling of the name, and one should use a simple formula: 1 ear, 1 word. So if the child doesn't say one meaningful word by 1 year, then one should really suspect that the child has a hearing problem. And if detected early and set all right by using hearing aids and giving speech therapy, the child can very easily and if in a fluid way get into the mainstream and have a real normal life. And we have so many children who are now software leading experts, and really you will not even feel that they are having a hearing issue. And when it comes to the adults, it's a sad thing that it's an average of 7 years before they really step into Shreya Hearing Clinic, basically because of the stigma that is attached to this hearing loss. And also hearing loss is something that the person himself or herself will not realize it. It's his friends and families who get the clue first that my friend hasn't responded to my question and he's giving some other answer which is not relevant. So when the person gets such a feedback, he should not brush it out, and friends and family members also should not feel embarrassed to point out this and actually encourage the person to go in for a hearing checkup.
Live a sound life.